Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are post cleaning. Everything's relatively dirt free. I'm gonna go in and, use my paper towel, soak any spots that have any puddles, stuff like that. Overall, looking a hell of a lot better. Still, the transmission issue I have seen under is not super awesome, but we're just gonna take care of it and pretend like nothing's wrong. But I had just opened this car door and I found out, I had no idea that this was a feature here, because I actually thought that I was just gonna have to replace this, but the more you know. And it's really funny, so just gonna unlock the door real quick, or maybe I'll just try it manually. But also, taking a look back here, I can tell that a nice cat or raccoon has been in here a bunch, but I'm actually gonna be able to salvage this. This is in great condition. Clean it up, use some very nice products on it. I did see, however, that there's some nice fat freaking holes, so we're gonna need to replace that back end in there. And then also this thing needs to get fixed. Don't know exactly what happened. Thinking maybe a rear end a little bit, but I mean, it could have been just us pushing this damn thing onto the trailer, but who knows. But yeah, I don't love this. Let me get that better here. Don't love that. There's just looking at all the details. You got that there, you got this here, so I'm gonna have to get in there and poke it out, probably. And the tires, funny enough, these ones are smaller in the back than the front, which is so strange. But I'm gonna have a field day just getting all this rust off. Might have to, well, I'm probably gonna have to replace the rotors, whatever. There's gonna be a lot of things to replace, but it's not gonna be terrible. Yeah, overall not too bad. Yeah, there's just, so many makeshift things here. I'm assuming that these might be the original wheels, both missing a lug nut. But I could be wrong, who knows. But they're getting replaced anyway, so who cares? Probably going to be 15s. Let's see, this is a 205. And the clearance, I pressure washed under here a little bit too, but not great. But clearance here, yeah, we'll be able to get in a lot more. So whatever the cheapest deal is, and then I'm gonna have to bend this back in shape. It doesn't even have this on the other side, so that needs to be checked or fixed. But yeah, just a lot of rust removal is gonna happen. Probably gonna give myself a sandblaster. Wasn't really planning on it, but yeah. And then this bad boy is just doing its thing. You'll be able to tell because bam, just like that. So just gonna let all this dry. I'm gonna clean the carb tomorrow. Probably not get an air filter or air cleaner right now at this moment. I'm not too worried about it, and I just want to do as much as I can here before I move on to anything. So I'll be doing that tonight, removing those plates and moving it to the other room, so we can get this car in there. And then I already talked to my roommate. I'll be able to move this car out over here. This car is going by, oops, this car is going bye-bye. And then yeah, and then I'll be able to have the whole entire thing, which room, I already have my makeshift stuff. I bought a bunch of crap. It is eating my money alive, but gonna get it done. Clean the battery. Just gonna be cleaning a bunch of things and getting this bad boy to run, because I'm gonna cry if it doesn't. So